What's up, guys? It's Andrew with Fat Ass Glass. Got a new product drop today to go along with our mystery boxes. I figured I'd make an explanation video because these are really cool. So these are called Puffs Pendy Melts. They're soy candles, and they include either a pendant that's valued up to $2,000 or a smoker's edition, which has things like carb caps, dabbers, chillums, things like that. So you get to choose whether you want a pendant candle or if you want the smoker's edition. The smoker's edition also explains that there's a chance to get a coin in one of these, and if you get the coin, you get an American-made rig or pipe. So this plays off again the mystery box idea. They smell great. They're made in the United States by Puffs Pendy Melts. It's 100% natural soy candle, and again, they melt a pendant or a glass piece in each of these candles. So the next question you might have is which one smells best. There's a ton of different flavors, scents. They all smell great. So for recommendations off smell, I don't know what to tell you there because they're all great. Personally, I just kept this one. It's the Rasta edition. So each one of these has a Rasta themed smoking accessory in it. It's my first time burning it, and I can't wait to see what we get. So they're definitely made with love. They're made with care. They are awesome. I definitely recommend trying one out. And it also includes a handmade crackling wood wick. So if I stop talking, you can kind of hear that. As you see, pretty relaxing. They're all hand mixed, and they're also odor eliminators. So check it out, guys. Ton of different flavors at Fat Ass Glass. They're $35 at Puffs Pendy's with $10 shipping. We're selling these for $39.99 with free US shipping, so a little bit below. So you know where to go, guys. FatAssGlass.com, Fat Ass Glass on all social media. We have payment plans available. Once this candle melts enough for me to get the item out, I'll update you guys what I got. But yeah, hope you check it out, and if you do get one, let me know what you got. Cheers, guys. Enjoy.